welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to do another part 2 on HTML. If you watched my previous video, I already showed you how to create button, how to enter different headings, but today we have this case and we need now to use HTML to come up with this task that we have. Now, I recommend that you use Visual Studio, which is the best one for doing HTML and also this kind of coding. Now, to begin with, let me open and then I'm going to create a file, which is a HTML file here. So I'm going to click there. Then I'm going to enter index.html like that. Now I'm going to double click on it, then I'm going to open that file. If we looked at our task, when we look at this one is the heading 1, we have heading 2, and we have a list here, we have a button here, we also have another heading 2 here, we have a list, and below it we have a button. Now to do that, let's start off. To start it, just press Shift on the keyboard and press number 1 key and then enter like that. Now we have title here. We're going to make our title. Then our title here, we're going to give it how to make a list. Sorry, how to make a list like that. Let me use that as our title. Now we're going to begin with the heading 1 here, upgrade to Pro. So that one is a heading 1, and we are going to introduce heading 1 tag. We're going to type grade to Pro like that. Below it, we're going to introduce a class. In this class, we're going to insert the quotes. You're going to type pricing. Pricing, like that. Then under that we have a heading. Pricing, and now we have a heading here, which is the second heading for individual. This is heading 2. So we're going to introduce that tag, heading 2, like that. And we type for individual. That. When you look at it again, we have a list here. We have to introduce a list tag here. To introduce it, we're going to like that, UL. Then we press enter in our list like that. So first one is 1 GB, 1 GB, and the second one is no GB. So 1 GB, that is the first list, and also we're going to duplicate this one. Then we highlight, copy, paste like this. The second one was no support. No support. Then we open it. Now we have a button here. We need to enter button tag here below it. It is buy now. We're going to introduce button tag like that. Button. I'm going to type here buy now. That. Okay. We still also have another heading 2 here. Have heading 2. So below the button, we're going to heading 2. And our heading 2 was for enterprise. For enterprise. Enterprise. Okay, let's check again. Now we have first list and second list. We're going to reduce list tag. That. So after that one. So the first list was 10 GB. 10 GB. We can still paste this one with no support. That was the second one. Like that. Okay. Now we have another button here, conductors. Conductors. So we're going to introduce that. That button. Okay, there was a mistake which I made here. Mistake. Okay, list. It was supposed not to be here because this was supposed to be close. This list was, and it was supposed to be here. Then this one is going to have another now, the button like that. So we need to have button, that is this button conductors. Conductors. So there's a closing tag here. The first one, pricing. Okay, let me check. This was supposed to be a closing tag. Yeah. Okay. Now let's save this one. We're going to save. Then we're going now to open our browser. Boom. Now this is how exactly you can create your list. So this is how exactly you're going to create your list. We have upgrade to Pro for individual, 1 GB. We have a button here. So if you compare with our task, we have managed to come up with that list. So if you find this video very important, please subscribe to this channel